Hello and welcome to our video series covering common maintenance practices for ground launching machines. Today we'll be covering spray cable replacement for the Pathfinder and Pathfinder XC. For tools you'll need two 7/16 inch wrenches and a 1/8 inch Allen wrench. Removal of the air filter components will make access to the valve much easier. The spray valve that the cable attaches to is under the liquid tank. Before we start, let's take a look at what you'll be working on. Here are shown the 7/16 inch mounting nuts, the S-hook attachment point, and the spring attachment point. Start by removing the spring from the valve handle. The spring is removed, you'll be ready to loosen the 7/16 inch nuts and slip the cable off of the mounting bracket. With the cable loose from the bracket, you'll be able to maneuver the S-hook out of the valve handle. You can now cut the zip tie holding the cable to the frame. Use the 1/8 inch Allen wrench to loosen the trigger assembly. Remove the assembly and remove the aluminum guide rod. To reassemble, reverse the process. Be careful not to over-tighten the set screw, as the trigger assembly may crack if it is over-tightened. Remove the 7/16 inch nuts from the old cable and put them on the new cable in approximately the same position. Route the cable back under the tank, being sure to go over the tank outlet hose. Connect the S-hook back to the valve handle and tighten the nuts on the bracket. The valve should be fully closed and the cable handle in the closed position. Reattach the spring to the valve handle and the cable replacement is complete. If the valve allows liquid to flow in the closed position, adjusting the position of the 7/16 inch nuts may be necessary. Reinstall the air filter components, being sure to include the base, filter, and the cover. That wraps up our video covering spray cable replacement for the Pathfinder and Pathfinder XCs. Thanks for checking us out, and keep checking back for more videos.